Today, I wanted to share with you how you can make money selling sports cards. And you don't have to buy super expensive ones to do it. The first way that you can make money is what I call buying local, selling global. I'm just going to show you some examples of cards that I've bought from like $1 to $5 for these ungraded cards. And I think you'll be surprised how much you can make by just going around and searching your local sports card store, and I really enjoy it. I like going in there and just like looking through and seeing what I could find, some like gems that aren't necessarily rookie cards or anything. So the first card we got, this is a Kevin Garnett, Kobe Bryant, Jermaine O'Neal. It's a 1996 card, so it is a Kobe rookie card. Didn't pay any more than $5 for this. I think it was like $3. So another great example. So this is a Kevin Durant gold foil Supersonics second year card, 2008. I came across these and there was like, I think like 7 to 10 of them. Every single one of them was like $2 a piece. And I mean, you can see how much that they sell for. And then anything that's like a really cool insert that's not overpopulated. So like all the newer cards, the inserts are pretty overpopulated, so they're really cheap. The second thing that you have to do, be interested in the niche of cards that you want to sell. I like basketball cards a lot. I actually really like Pokemon cards right now. And that way it's more interesting for you. And then number 3, the last thing that's very, very important to me. This is how I got pointed in the right direction of like what to pay attention to. Follow as many like sports cards or Pokemon cards accounts like on Instagram, Twitter, whatever, any influencers that are in that space. Just follow them and follow like accounts that have to do with that, because they're posting every day. They're showing you the boxes that are coming out, what's hot on the retail shelves. They're showing you the hobby boxes that will release. If you're paying attention and you're actually interested in it, everything that I buy personally is like Kevin Durant stuff, LeBron stuff. So even if I don't decide to sell them, I still have them and I still enjoy them, and that's what it's really about. Making money is fun too though. Go to the sports card stores, enjoy it, look around, find cards that you never knew existed, and have fun with it. That's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. As always, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on tomorrow's video. Peace.